just to make things clearer and more correct, First Balfour really is a reputable engineering and construction company. Now it has ventured to the aggregates business through its wholly owned subsidiary, which is Torre Verde.
Mm-mm.
Torre Verde is a registered quarrying company uh, that is supposed to supply for our projects in Batangas.
Pero sir, to be clear, ang First Balfour, wala siyang quarrying operations.
First Balfour and even Torre Verde has not started quarrying operations.
Mm.
We actually we are here at the partially developed area for the proposed aggregates plant of Torre Verde.
Mm-mm.
May kita naman natin dito, 'di ba, na wala pa tayong equipment na na-install dito. Walang trucks, walang payloaders, walang crushers na na-mobilize dito sa site. Even the foundations and the pedestals kung saan natin ipapatong yung crusher natin, hindi pa tapos because we suspended our development works last year.
Bakit po?
Uh, the management decided to suspend development works dahil na-realize namin na mahaba at tedious pala yung permit application process ng quarry permit.
So, ito, may balak pa kayong ituloy, sir?
Definitely, dahil sa demand ng construction industry sa Pilipinas and syempre in support na rin sa fourth of the 10-point agenda na economic agenda ng administration natin ngayon, which is to support uh, the infrastructure of the Philippines.